Mine eyes have seen the glory. This is Mine Eyes Have Seen the Glory in the key of C. This is a simplified way to chord along to this song. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, you will have the link that you can print out the chord sheet and have a lot of fun and follow along with me. All right, so let's check out the chords that are in this song. It's very simple. C, F, G. So let's look for those three chords. If we look for a group of 2 black notes here and line up our 5 fingers with thumb on the note C, play every other note, and that is C, E, G. That's a C major chord, okay? Then let's play a F chord, and you look for the group of 3 black notes, and it's the starting note of that group of 3. F, A, C. Okay, and then move up 1 set of notes, and you're in the G position. G, B, D. Okay, that's it. So let's review those 3 chords. We have C chord, F chord, G chord. All right, so left hand is going to be playing just single notes. So let's play a C note with our C chord. F to F, G to G. Pretty simple. All right, so let's talk about the time signature. So this song is written in 4/4 time signature, which just means we're going to do a simple ratio of 1 to 2, and it sounds like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Practice that on the F chord. Together, right, together, right, together, right. And you can just practice that through until your hands get used to playing this nice marching rhythm. Kind of gives you a good foundation to play this song, or any song for that matter. All right, so I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can see how it sounds when we add in the vocals. There's a lot of repetition going on in this song, so it helps keep it simple as well. Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord. He is trampling out the vintage where the grapes of wrath are stored. He has loosed the faithful lightning of his terrible swift sword. His truth is marching on. All right, so let's talk about some patterns in our music. If you look at verse 1, 2, 3, 4, they are the exact same. So that is a bulk of your song by just memorizing that or getting through that part. All right, let's also look at the first and third line. You're just playing C chords, and then the second line is F, C, fourth line F, G, C. So you just notice that pattern through the whole 4 verses, okay? So I also write the chord above the word or the syllable in which that next chord should change, and that should help a little bit too as you develop your musical ear to anticipate the chord change coming up. All right, so let's look at the chorus. I'm going to slow it down a little bit, and you can play along with me here. Glory, glory, hallelujah. F chord. Glory, glory, hallelujah. F or C. Hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Is F. Truth is G. Okay, so that one goes a little bit quicker. His truth is marching on. Okay, let's go through verse 2, and then I'll play it beginning to end so you can play along with me. I have seen him in the watchfires of 100 circling camps. They have F. Builded him an altar in the C chord. Evening dews and damps. I can read his righteous sentence by the dim and flaring lamps. Is F. Day is G, C. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can follow along with me. Make sure to go back to the beginning if you need a little more help. Play the right hand all by itself, and then bring the 2 hands together if bringing the 2 hands right away is too complex for you. All right, here we go. Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord. He is trampling out the vintage where the grapes of wrath are stored. He hath loosed the fateful lightning of his terrible swift sword. His truth is marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah.